Dear second prep, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. It's Mr. Ahmed Mahmoud with you today to introduce a new mathematics lesson. Today, inshallah, we have Algebra Unit 1, Lesson 8. The lesson is called Solving Quadratic Equation in one variable algebraically. In this lesson, inshallah, we already studied how to solve a quadratic equation in the first term, but in one condition that the expression included x power of 2 only. But in this term we are going to study how to factorize or how to solve the equation included x power of 2 and x power of 1. Let's start the lesson. First, I have a fact, okay? This fact is, if I have A times B equals 0, A is a number, B is a number, A times B, two numbers multiply each other equals 0, then may A equal 0 or B equal 0. Again, if A times B equals 0, so A equals 0 or B equal 0, because the product any number times 0 equals 0. So A equals 0 or B equal 0. Okay, we use this fact to solve the quadratic equation like this. For example, if I have x minus 5 times x plus 2 equals 0, those two are two factors. X minus 5 is a factor or number, and the x plus 2 also is another number. This number times this number equals 0. So then may x minus 5 equals 0 or x plus 2 equal 0. Okay, this is a first degree equation and this is a first degree equation. Here I'm going to send the minus 5 there, minus 5 go there, plus 5, so it will be like this, x equal 5, and here x plus 2 equal 0, so I'm going to send the plus 2 there, it will be minus 2, so x equal negative 2. This is the solution. Now I found the values of this equation, x equal 5 or x equal negative 2. So the solution set equal 5 or negative 2. Okay, another example. If we have x times 2x plus 6, again x times 2x plus 6 equals 0. So I have two conditions. May x equal 0 or 2x plus 6 equals 0. Again, x equals 0 or 2x plus 6 equals 0. Okay, x equals 0, this is the solution of this equation. And the other side, 2x plus 6 equals 0. First, I'm going to send 6 to the right, okay, to be negative 6, like this. 2x equal negative 6. And now, 2x means 2 times x. So I'm going to send the 2 there divided. Negative 6 divided by 2 like this, so x equal negative 6 divided by 2, which is equal negative 3. So the solutions are 0 and negative 3 like this. Now this is an introduction for the lesson. Okay, the main idea of the lesson that I make the equation equal 0 like here and here. Okay, the second step in this equation equation, I'm going to factorize or change the expression into product of two factors or more. Okay, let's see these cases in the following questions. Number 1, here I have find in R the solution set of each of the following equations. Number 1, x power of 2 minus 6 equal 0. Here I have x minus 6, x power of 2 minus 6x. This is not a product. I need to change this equation or this expression into product. So I'm going to factorize. Okay, what is the possible factorize here? The possible factorize that I'm going to take x common factor, because x power of 2 and 6x have a common factor x. So I'm going to take x as a common factor like this and open bracket as we and don't forget to write equal 0. X power of 2 divided by x equal x. Negative 6x divided by x equal negative 6. Now I get two factors, x and x minus 6. So I'm going to separate between them like this, and I'm going to write x equal 0 or x minus 6 equal 0. Okay, x equal 0, this is the solution, and here x minus 6 equals 0, so I'm going to send minus 6 to the right side to be plus 6, so x equal 0 plus 6 equal 6, so the solution is 6. Okay, now the final step, that to write the solution set. So I'm going to write s dot s equal set 0 comma 6, and don't forget please to write the solution set. Another example here, 4x power of 2 minus 25 equal 0. This is a very important case. If the equation, okay, included x power of 2 only, so it's allowed to you to solve this equation by using the steps of the first term. Okay, how come, Mr. Ahmed? Remember with me what we did in the first term. Okay, I'm going to send the minus 5 to the right side, so it will be 4x power of 2 equal positive 25. Okay, if this equation is not clear, so I'm going to erase the handwriting. Okay, again, 4x power of 2 minus 25 equals 0. I'm going to send minus 25 to the right side. Why? Because I have here x power of 2 only, so it will be like this: 4x power of 2 equal 25. Now I'm going to send 4 after 25 divided, so x power of 2 equal 25 divided by 4, which is equal 25 over 4. Now I'm going to take the square root for both sides, so x equal, don't forget please, negative or positive, square root 25 over 4, it is equal negative or positive 5 over 2. Finally, the solution set equal 5 over 2 comma negative 5 over 2. Okay, so if you have more than x, again, if you have more than x, okay, so you have to factorize. If you have only x power of 2 in the expression, okay, it's allowed to solve this one by the first term way. Okay, and the first term way was more easier than the factorization. Another one here, x power of 2 plus 5x plus 6 equal 0. Here, by looking to the expression, it's included x power of 2 and included x, so I have to factorize. Remember with me, how can I factorize this expression? I'm going to open two brackets, don't forget to write equal 0, and distribute x power of 2 here and here, and factorize 6. 6 equal 6 divided by 1 equal 6. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. Now I need two numbers because I have positive sign. I need two numbers. Their sum is 5. Again, their sum equal 5. The sum equal 5, then I'm going to choose 2 and 3. Okay, because this sign is positive, so I'm going to send the middle sign here and there. So I'm going to write plus here and plus here, and write down 2 and 3, 2 here and 3 here. It's okay. Now I have x plus 2 times x plus 3 equals 0. So I'm going to separate between them. So x plus 2 equals 0 and x plus 3 equal 0. I'm going to send the plus 2 to the right side, so x equal negative 2, and send positive 3 to the right side, so x equal negative 3. Finally, the solution set equal set negative 2 and negative 2 and negative 3. Please don't forget to write the solution set. Okay, another example. Here I have x power of 2 minus 8x plus 15 equals 0. Okay, first step, I'm going to open two brackets. Here x and here x. Okay, and then factorize 15 divided by 1 equals 15. 15 divided by 2 equal decimal. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Okay, I need two numbers. Their sum is 8. Sum equal 8. The sum is 8, so I'm going to choose 3 and 5. Because this sign is plus, so I'm going to distribute negative in both brackets. Okay, and complete the solution. So here minus and here minus, and write 3 and 5 in both brackets. So x minus 3 equal 0 and x minus 5 equal 0. Send 3 to the right side, so x equal 3, and send 5 to the right side, so x equal 5. Finally, the solution set equal set 3, 5. Okay, another one. Okay, 2x plus 7x, 2x power of 2 plus 7x minus 4 equals 0. 2, 4 and negative 2, 7 and negative 4, they haven't a common factor. Okay, and this one starts with 2, so I'm going to factorize by using means and extremes. Again, means and extremes. Remember with me, I'm going to open two brackets like this, and here 2, this 2 equal 2 times 1, so this is 2x and x. Again, 2x power of 2 equal 2x times x. 4 equal 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. Because I have here 2, so it's not allowed to use 2 times 2, because if I wrote 2 and 2 in the same bracket, they will have a common factor, so it's not allowed, so I will not use 2 times 2. Now, the only choice with me is 1 times 4, 1 and 4. Okay, may I write 1 here and 4 here, or I write 4 here and 1 here. Also 4, if I have here 4 and here 2 in the same bracket, they will have a common factor. Also, it's not allowed to write 4 here. So the only condition that I'm going to write 1 here and 4 here, and check by using means and extremes. Okay, here the means and this is the extremes. Means 1x equal 1 times x equal x, and 2 times 4 equal 8x. I have here minus, so I'm going to subtract 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 equal 7, so this is a correct choice. Okay, now because this is minus, so I'm going to send the middle sign to the bigger only. So the bigger factor is 8, so this is positive, and x is negative. Okay, the sign 8 equal 2 times 4, so the sign of 8 comes from 4. This is positive, and the x equal 1 times x, so the negative sign comes from 1, so this is the negative sign. Okay, now as you see, I don't need those because I have to complete. Okay, here this is equal 0. I'm going to separate between the two brackets. 2x minus 1 equals 0 and x plus 4 equals 0. Here I'm going to send the minus 1, so 2x equal 1. I'm going to send 2 to the right side divided, so x equal 1 over 2. Here I'm going to send 4 plus 4, so it will be minus 4, so x equal negative 4. Now I have two solutions, half and negative 4. So the solution set equals half, comma, negative 4. Another one. Here also I have two brackets, I have expression 6, 7 and 3. I don't have a common factor between them, so I'm going to factorize by using means and extremes. Okay, open two brackets like this. Here 6 equal 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. I'm going to start with 2 times 3, 2x and 3x, or I can start with 3x and 2x, it's okay. Okay, here 3 equal 1 times 3. Remember, it's not allowed to write 3 here because I will have 3 and 3 in the same bracket. Okay, so I'm going to write 3 here and 1 here and check by using the means and extremes as usual. Here the means and here the extremes. The means are 3x, 3 times 3x equals 9x, and the 2 times 1 equals 2x. Because I have minus here, so I'm going to subtract 9 minus 2 equal 7. This is 7, so this is a correct choice. This sign is minus, so I'm going to give the middle to the greater. Okay, the greater is 9x, so 9 is negative like the middle, and 2 is positive opposite to the middle. Okay, 9 equal 3 times 3, so the negative comes from here, and the 2x equal 2 times 1, so the positive sign comes from here. Now this is the factorization. Okay, I'm going to complete the equation. Here, don't forget we have 0. Separate the two brackets. 2x minus 3 equals 0 and 3x plus 1 equals 0. The first one, I'm going to send the minus 3, so 2x equal 3, and then I'm going to send 2 divided, so x equal 3 divided by 2, which is 3 over 2, and here I'm going to send 1, so x or 3x equal negative 1, and then I'm going to send 3 after negative 1, so x equal negative 1 divided 3 or negative 1 over 3. So the solution set equal 3 over 2 comma negative 1 over 3. Now I'm going to teach you how can I solve the equation by using the calculator. Okay, if I have a calculator like this, so I'm going to press mode 5 3. Again, mode equation 3, mode 5 3. Okay, here you will have A, B and C. Okay, what is A, what is B, what's C? This is A, this is B, this is C. Again, A, B, C. So okay, I'm going to write 6 equal and negative 7 equal and negative 3 equal, and then I'm going to write equal Okay, the answer here, x1 is 3 over 2. Okay, this is x1, and I'm going to press equal again. x2 equal negative 1 over 3. This is the solution of this equation. Okay, x1 equal 3 over 2, x2 equal negative 1 over 3. Now you can check by using the calculator. Now I'm going to check this equation on, and again, mode equation is 5. Okay, 5 3. Again, mode 5 3. Then A, B, C. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, 2 equal 7 equal negative 4 equal again. x1 equal 1 over 2. Okay, this is 1 over 2, and equal one time. x2 equal negative 4. Now you check that you solve correct. Okay, now I'm going to complete explaining the equations. Number 7, I have another equation. Okay, here I have x power of 2 plus x equal 6. This is not zero equation, so I have to make it zero equation. How come, Mr. Ahmed? I'm going to send 6 to the right side. Okay, so it will be x power of 2 plus x minus 6 equal 0. Now I have a trinomial. Okay, this equation is doesn't included a common factor, so I'm going to factorize directly like this. Open two brackets, x here and x here. Because this sign is minus, so I'm going to write here two different signs, plus and minus, or minus and plus. It's up to you. 6 equal divided by 1 equal 6, divided by 2 equals 3. I need two factors, the difference between them, because this minus equal 1. The difference equal 1, so I'm going to choose 2 and 3. Okay, don't forget, when you have two different signs, so you write the bigger one with the middle sign. Again, the bigger one with the middle sign. Okay, the middle sign is positive, so the bigger factor here. So here I'm going to write 3, and here I'm going to write 2. Okay, and after that I'm going to continue by separate the two brackets. X plus 3 equal 0, and x minus 2 equal 0. Send 3 to the right side, so x equal negative 3. Send 2 to the right side, so x equal positive 2. The solution set equal negative 3 and positive 2. Here, this equation, 12x power of 2 equal 47x minus 45. Now this is not a zero equation, so I have to send 47 to the right side, to the left side, and 49 to the left, 45 to the left side. Okay, so I'm going to start with 12x power of 2. This is positive, so it will be negative 47x. This is negative, so it will be positive 45 equal 0. Now 12 and 47 and 45, they don't have a common factor. Okay, they don't have a common factor, so I have to factorize by using the means and extremes. Okay, 12 equal 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. Again, 12 equal 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. I'm going to start with 3 times 4, 3x and 4x. Okay, 45 equals 1 times 45, 3 times 15, 5 times 9. I'm going to choose with 5 and 9. Okay, 5 and 9. I can't write 9 here. Again, I can't write 9 here because 9 and 3 have a common factor. So I have to write 5 here and 9 here. Okay, now I'm going to check by using the means and extremes. The means equal 5 times 4 equal 20 x. The extremes 9 times 3 equal 27x. Okay, I'm checking using plus. Okay, so 20 plus 27 equals equal 47. So this is a correct choice. Okay, now I'm going to, because this is negative as this is positive, so I'm going to write the middle sign in both brackets, negative here and the negative here. Okay, now I'm going to take the first bracket, 3x minus 5 equals 0, and 4x minus 9 equals 0. I'm going to send 5, so it will be 3x equal 5. I'm going to send 3, so x equal 5 over 3. Here I'm going to send 9, so it is 4x equal 9, and I'm going to send 4, so it is x equal 9 over 4. Finally, the solution set equals 5 over 3 and 9 over 4. After completing the solution, okay, it's okay to check by using the calculator. Okay, now I have another example, number 9. Here in number 9, here I have here two brackets, x plus 4 and x minus 2 plus 5. Okay, now the two brackets multiply each other, but they added to 5. So now I have to expand the brackets, okay? Because if I have the brackets only without plus 5, so I may take each bracket equal 0, but now I have plus 5, so I have to expand the brackets. Remember with me, how can I expand the brackets? First times first equal x power of 2. Second times second equal negative 8. 4 times negative 2 equal 8. Here means equal 4x, the extremes equal negative 2. Again, the means equal 4x and the extremes equal negative 2x. 4x plus negative 2x equal positive 2x. Positive 2x, okay? This is the expansion of the two brackets, okay? Now I'm going to complete, drop down plus 5 here equal 0. Now I have four terms, but I have already like terms, negative 8 and 5, so I'm gonna to simplify them. So x power of 2 plus 2x, negative 8 plus 5 equals negative 3 equals 0. Now I'm going to open two brackets like this, equal 0. Here x and here x, 3, because this is negative, okay, so I'm going to write two different signs, plus and minus, okay. 3 equal 1 times 3 and 3 times 1. I'm going to write the middle, the bigger factor with the middle sign. The middle sign is positive, so the bigger is here, the smaller is here. Okay, now x plus 3 equals 0, x minus 1 equals 0. Send 3 to the right side, so x equal negative 3. Send 1 to the right side, so x equal positive 1. The solution set equal negative 3 and 1. Number 10. Number 10, here I have x plus 3 minus 49 equals 0. I have 3 different cases or 3 different ways to factorize this one or to solve this one. The first way that I'm going to send the negative 49 to the right side and take the square root. This is way. Another way is that I'm going to factorize by using difference between two squares. And the third way is that I'm going to expand the brackets. Okay, the three ways are correct, but I'm going to choose the factorize way. How come, Mr. Ahmed? I'm going to open two brackets like this, equal 0. One of them negative and the other positive. Okay, x plus 3 all power of 2. Right here x plus 3 and here x plus 3. 49, it's square root 7. So 7 here and 7 here. This is the easiest way. Okay, now x inside the brackets. X 3 minus 7 equal negative 4. And here x 3 plus 7 equal positive 10 equal 0. Here x minus 4 equal 0 and x plus 10 equal 0. So send 4 to the right side, so x equal 4, and send 10 to the right side, so x equal negative 10. Okay, so the solution set equals 4 and negative 10. Next, number 11 here, I have x power x minus 1 plus x equal 3. Okay, here I don't have number has a square root, okay, to factorize. So I have to expand the bracket. Okay, expanding this bracket, remember with me, x minus 1 all power of 2. Okay, first power of 2 equal x power of 2. Second power of 2, negative 1 power of 2 equal positive 1. Okay, 2 times first times second. Again, 2 times first times second. 2 times x equal 2x times negative 1 equal negative 2x. This is a bracket, all power of 2. Now I'm going to drop x plus x, and I'm going to send 3 to the left side, negative 3, and finally equal 0. Okay, now I have this expression. I'm going to simplify or to add the like terms. Here I have x power of 2 and then negative 2 like 2x, negative 2x and x. Negative 2 plus 1 equal negative x, and 1 and the negative 3 are like 1 minus 3 or 1 plus negative 3 equals negative 2 equal 0. Finally, I'm going to factorize. I have here two brackets, x and x. This is minus, so I'm going to write two different signs, minus and plus, or plus and minus. Okay, 2 equal 2 times 1, so I'm going to write the bigger one with the middle sign. This is the middle sign, is negative, so here 2 and here 1. Now I'm going to separate. X minus 2 equal 0 and x plus 1 equal 0. Send minus 2, so x equal plus 2, so okay, the other equation, x plus 1 equals 0, by sending 1, so x equal negative 1. So the solution set equal 2 and negative 1. Here 4x power of 3 equals 9x. This equation I can't write the root of 9x. Okay, so I have to send 9x to the left side. 4x power of 3 minus 9x equals 0. I have x and x, so I have to take a common factor. Okay, here the common factor is x. 4x power of 3 divided x equal 4x power of 2. Negative 9x divided by x equal negative 9 equal 0. Separate between them. So x equal 0 or 4x power of 2. Okay, minus 9 equal 0. I'm going to send 9 to the right side, so 4x power of 2 equal positive 9. Then I'm going to send 4 after 9 divided, so x power of 2 equal 9 over 4. Finally, I'm going to take the square root, so x equal negative or positive square root 9 over 4, so x equal negative or positive 3 over 2. Now I have three solutions: 0, negative or positive 3 over 2, so the solution set equal 0, 3 over 2, negative 3 over 2. Okay, finally I have equation in which it's included 5 over x and 1 over 2. Okay, if you have fractions, it's better to multiply by the denominator. Again, if you have a fraction, it's better to multiply by the numbers in the denominator. I have here x and I have here 2, so I'm going to multiply the left side by 2x and multiply the right side by 2x. Okay, 2x times x minus 5 over x, and 2x times half. Okay, here 2x times x equal 2x power of 2. 2x times 5 over x. 2 times 5, 10. Okay, and the x over x cancelled like this, so it is negative 10. Here half times 2x, half times 2 equal 1, so it is x. Finally, I have 2x power of 2 minus 10 equal x. I'm going to send x here. Okay, so 2x power of 2 minus x minus 10 equals 0. I wrote x here to be in order, okay, in descending order according to the powers. Now I don't have a common factor, so I have to factorize by using means and extremes, because I have to at the beginning. Here 2x and x, okay, 10 equal 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. I'm going to choose 2 times 5. Okay, I can't write 2 here because I will have 2 and 2 in the same bracket, and this is wrong. So I'm going to write 2 here and 5 here. And check. 5 times x equal 5x, and 2 times 2 equal 4. 5 minus 4 equal 1, so this is the correct choice. Okay, now this sign is negative, so I'm going to send this sign to the greater. The greater is 5x, so this is minus and this is plus. Okay, finally 2x minus 5 equals 0. I'm going to send minus 5, it will be 0 plus 5, 5. And then I'm going to send 2 over 2, so finally it will be x equal 5 over 2. Here x plus 2 equals 0, so x equal negative 2. Finally the solution set is 5 over 2 and negative 2. And this is the end of the lesson. I hope it was helpful for you. See you inshallah in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mr. Ahmed Mahmoud was with you.